ngStyle is an Angular directive that adds or removes a CSS styles based on a condition or expression. It is an attribute directive, which means it changes the appearance of the element on which it is used. It does not manipulate the DOM like the structural directive. ngStyle accepts an object literal where the keys are the style property names and the values are the corresponding values you want to apply. Here is a simple example of using ngStyle to apply a specific background. Note that I haven't used a condition yet, so the CSS tag is always added. If the style property contains hyphens, they must be enclosed in the quotation marks or replaced with the camel case notation. Let's check how the application behaves in the browser. Let's add a condition to make it more useful. When the value is less than 0, the border color is red, otherwise it is green. The same result can be achieved using the style attribute. Let's see if the logic still works. The difference between a style attribute and ngStyle is that ngStyle allows you to add multiple CSS styles. Additionally, the logic for adding styles can be moved directly to the component code. Let's call the method getStyles and paste object literal with styles. In this case, instead of value, I need to use this value. Let's see if the logic still works. An interesting tip is that you can add the unit directly to the property name. If you have any questions or topics you would like me to cover in future videos, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with latest content. Until next time, happy coding!